We are testing this inverter before installing a machine. For output testing, press local remote button to activate keypad mode and set frequency by up button and enter button as per desired frequency and press enter for saving data. And now run the inverter. Also pressing up button for displaying frequency output. So now press run for operate the inverter. Yes, the inverter is running and frequency is increasing as per acceleration time. And when we will stopping the inverter speed will decreasing as per deceleration time. So by local remote button here activated run stop button, that's mean keypad mode or local mode. Now we will checking output UVW where we will set a motor connection. So we will run the inverter by pressing run button. The inverter is running and increasing frequency as per acceleration time. We set here 50 Hz, so the Hz is raised. Now we checking output UVW by a tester. Tester flashes same level in 3 terminal. So now we testing by a digital multimeter inverter body to output terminal, that's mean UVW. After checking we will found about 268 volt AC line to earthing, that's mean body to line or terminal UVW. So one terminal we touching in inverter body and another terminal touch in U and V and finally W. Sometimes in meter mode changing and again we set its AC mode as by select button. This way we can testing inverter output. Before installing any machine inverter need to testing input and output. So this way we can checking inverter output terminal UVW.